बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question says that the second ionization energy is maximum for. So there are four elements in the option and we have to find out which element has the maximum second ionization energy. So let's solve this question. So first we'll write all the electronic configuration of all the elements. Like first we have boron. So boron is 5. So the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2h2, 2p1. So this is the electronic configuration of boron. Then beryllium. So beryllium has 1h2, then 2h2. Then magnesium. Magnesium is 12. So it is 1h2, 2h2, 2p6, 3h2. Now aluminium. So aluminium is 13. 1h2, 2h2, 2p6, 3h2, 3p1. So this is the electronic configuration of aluminium. Now we have to decide. So first in beryllium and magnesium case, so if we will remove 2 electrons, they acquire the inert configuration and become stable. So second ionization energy will be minimum. In the case of beryllium and magnesium, if we will remove 2 electrons, or the second ionization energy will be minimum, because after the removal of the 2 electrons it becomes stable and it acquired the inert configuration. So beryllium and magnesium are cancelled. Now we have only two options, either boron or aluminium. So if we'll compare between boron and aluminium, then in case of boron, if we'll remove one electron, then it will be a stable electronic configuration. So if we'll remove another electron, then we have to, or we need more energy to remove another electron or the second electron from the S subcell. So here the second ionization energy will be maximum. And if we'll see aluminium also, so in case of aluminium same condition, but aluminium has a larger size than boron and it has an extra or added extra electronic configuration like extra orbital, that is 3s to 3p1, but here only 2s to 2p1, and also it has larger size than boron. So boron will be the, or boron has the highest, or we can say that maximum second ionization energy. Maximum second ionization energy. So boron has the maximum second ionization energy. So because its size is also small, as well as we need more energy to remove another electron from the S subcell, that is near the nucleus. So the correct answer will be boron. That is option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.